Hey guys, and again welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alok Pandey, and today I'll be solving my next question on Leetcode. This is problem number 268, missing number. It is easy one. So very firstly, as usual, I'll be reading the question, I'll be telling the approach, I'll be solving the code in Java language because this is Java series. So let's get started. So here it is given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. So what it is saying, like we have an array of nums. In that there is a particular range of numbers are given from 0 to n, and in that we have to find the missing number. We have to find our missing number. Suppose, let's see the example number 1. In example number 1, we have our input is nums 301. So our array size is 3. It is up to 3. So we have to check what is missing from 0 to 3. So we have in our we have 3, we have 0, we have 1. So we have 0, 1, 2. Wait, 2 is not there. So 2 is missing. Let's check for 3. 3 is there. Okay. So my 2 is missing. 0, 1, 3 is there. 2 is missing. That's why our output is 2. We can read in our explanation as well. Suppose n equals to 3, since there are 3 numbers. So all numbers are in the range from 0 to 3. So what are the numbers? What will be the numbers that are coming in between 0 to 3, 0, 1 to 3? Exactly. So 2 is not here. That's why 2 is missing. That's why our output is 2. In example number 2, we have only 0 and 1. But our n is 2. Our n is 2. Because in array, indexes starts from 0. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 means 3 integers. Like 3 indexes will be there. But in this case, we have only 0 and 1. Do not confuse with we have 0 and 1, it is complete. No, we have to read our n also. So 2 is not there, so that's why 2 is missing. In our example number 3 as well, 9, 6, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 0, 1 is there, but our n is equals to 3. So what is missing? See, 0 is there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is also there, 7 is there, 8 is not there. So that's why our output is 8. Let's check for 9. 9 is there. So let's read the constraint. Constraints are n equals to nums dot length. Okay, 1 less than equals to n tak jayega, less than equals to 10 to the power 4. Okay, all the numbers of nums are unique. Unique means that are not repeating. So how we'll find? What should be our approach? So here I have a screenshot I have taken. I can explain it well. So suppose I have another array of this 0, 2, 3, 7, 5, 4, 6. Okay, so how I will find my missing number? In that case, I'll make one variable of missing number. I'll make one actual number. So my actual number is 0, 2, 3, 7, 5, 4, 9. I will sum all of it. 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6. It will be 27. Some of these numbers are 27. Okay, but what will be the actual number? Because up to it is 7, my max is 7. So I will find the I will find the missing number. So my missing number here is 1. So let's find the actual number. 0. I know my missing number is 1, but how my compiler will know what I have to write in my code? So we can check, like very firstly we'll check our actual number. What is our actual number? 0, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. It will be 28. So what we will do? We will make another variable of missing number. In that will minus our actual number minus sum. So what we will do, missing number is equals to actual sum minus sum. So our actual sum is 28, our sum is 27, so we'll minus, we'll get 1. So 1 is our missing number. In case our actual sum is 28 and our sum is 25 only, in that case our 3 will be my missing number. So we have studied a formula, n is equals missing number is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. By using this approach and formula, we can find our missing number. How? Suppose our missing number is, our n is equals to 7, n plus 1, 7 plus 1 8, divided by 2, 7 into 8 56, divided by 2 28. This is our actual number. That's how we can find our actual number. So let's jump on the code on Leetcode compiler. In that, when I will solve, you will get more. So let's get started for the code. We have class solution. We have this method of missing number, public int missing number. We have array int nums. So very firstly I'll make a container of int n is equals to, and I will store nums.length in it. Nums.length. After that, I'll make a sum. I'll initialize sum is equals to 0, int sum is equals to 0. After that, I'll run a for loop for int I is equals to 0, I less than n I plus plus. After that, in that case, our sum is equals to sum plus nums of I. Sum is equals to sum nums of I. And after that, I'll make my actual number. I'll find my actual number. How I will find? While using that formula, int ACTUN, actual number is equals to n, int actual number is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, here bracket will be there. Okay, that statement terminator, and here I'll make my missing number, int missing number. Int missing number will be actual number minus sum. After that, I will return my missing number, retur and return missing number. Okay, let's run and check the output whether it is correct or not. Why it is taking this much time, guys? हो जा भाई. Compilation error in line number int actual number, here n. Okay, n into will come here, n into n plus 1. It is accepted. Yeah, case 1 301, 2 is our missing number. That's why I expected is 2, output is 2. Here also it is 2, expected 8, output is 8. So let's check our beats by submitting. It is 100% beats. And guys, the time complexity for this code is big O of n, because here one loop is there, that's we are running for I is equals to 0 to I less than equals to n. So this is our solution, and with this, guys, I have solved, I guess, 35 or 36 36 question on my Leetcode. This is my profile, you guys can check. So thank you so much guys for watching my solution and watching my video. I hope I cleared this question. And if in case if you are really liking and appreciating my approach and my hard work, so you guys please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like and do comments and please share with your friends. So thank you guys, मिलते हैं next video में. See you.